Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's me, Jacob. Before we get going with today's video, in case you didn't use a referral code to start driving for Uber, it's okay. I'm going to show you how to use a retroactive sign-up code right now so you can get your guarantee of up to $1,000. Woo! Here's what you're going to do. You're going to open up your Uber driver's app. You're going to look at the top of the screen for either your picture or those three lines. Click there. Then you're going to click the earnings tab. Next, click help or the question mark. Then click account and payment. Next, click referrals. Then click invited driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. Click send a message, and the invite code that you're going to use is JACOB 17756UI. Friend's name is Jacob Letman. Phone 307-349-7713. Email address is goodvibetribe222@gmail.com. And finally, the details, you're going to put my friend Jacob referred me to start driving for Uber. That's it. Send it in so you can get your guarantee of up to $1,000 to start driving with Uber. Everybody come and drive rideshare. Everybody jam. Come on now, everybody. Drive rideshare, it's pretty cool. Yeah, we've got it going on for you. If you got that musical reference, I applaud you and salute you because that's my jam. Or at least it was when I was 10. Nah, it's probably still my jam. Anyway, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman, and we have an episode in store for you that is mostly pertinent to new rideshare drivers. However, if you haven't started driving yet, that's okay, because what you can do is you can jump down into the description below. There are links there to both Uber and Lyft. You click those and they will take you away to a magical place where you can sign up and get sign-on bonuses so you can start making some extra cash while you start driving for Uber and Lyft. All right, so what are we talking about today? Today we are talking about 5 mistakes that are commonly made by new rideshare drivers. And I have made all 5 of them. And let's see, what else? I would say that there was about a 6-month learning curve for me as a new driver. That had I had this information and other information that you can find on our channel, I could have probably just skipped that learning curve and those growing pains and gone right to making money, which would have been nice. All right, so what are these 5 commonly made mistakes by new drivers? Well, number 1, easy one, but commonly made mistake, not having a cell phone mount or not having an efficient cell phone mount. So I have a magnetic cell phone mount and I love it. I highly recommend it because it's very easy to just click, put my phone on and off as fast as I need to. Yeah, and here's the deal. This is why it's important, because when you're a new driver, not only are you trying to navigate an app that you're not proficient in yet, and trying to talk to your passenger and trying to follow the navigation, but you're also trying to figure out where to drop them off. And so not only are you breaking the law by not having a hands-free device, but you're just putting a lot more strain on yourself. So get that magnetic phone mount. All right, number 2. Driving around trying to find rides. So when I first signed up for rideshare, in my mind, because I had no idea, I was like, okay, well, I'll just sign on and then it will just be this magical thing where I continually get pinged all day long until I sign off. That is not the case. Although there are a lot of rides out there, there is strategy to being able to find, times and places of where to go to get the most amount of ride requests. For more information on that, see our other videos. But here's what you should not do. You should not drive around wasting your gas and your time and your energy and putting miles on your vehicle trying to find rides. Stay put, stay close to home. If anything, just find a populated area close by you, such as a shopping mall or restaurants, bars, things like that, where people will be needing ride requests. Don't drive around. All right, number 3, don't sit around. Don't sit around sitting in the airport queue. Nah, don't do it. If you want to do it, make sure you bring a book like War and Peace. Perhaps the Bible, something very thick, maybe a 10,000 piece puzzle that you can finish. The only times I ever sit in the airport queue is when I drop someone off and I don't get pinged for a ride right away and there are less than 5 people waiting. Other than that, forget about it. Forget about it. Forget about it. True story, I once waited in queue at the airport with 2 people in front of me for over 3 hours. I swear, it's real. So don't do it. Number 4. Most commonly made mistake by new drivers. Either talking too much to their passengers or not talking enough. And you know what? Everybody's done it. It's okay. You will find how to gauge that. That's the word I was looking for. It's an art for sure. You don't just understand how to do it right away. And here's how I approach it. So, passenger gets in. I'm high energy. I say, "Hey, how's your day going?" Make sure they're the right passenger first, obviously. And then I ask them some small talk things. Where are you headed to? What do you got going on? Did you have a good weekend? Did you catch the game last night? Small talk stuff. And through that, I'm reading their body language, seeing how much they're saying, see if they're paying attention to their cell phone, looking out the window, talking on their cell phone, or maybe they fall asleep. It's a pretty good indication they don't want to talk, right? So all those things I'm gauging, you know, if they're engaged in the conversation and we've got a good rapport going, good flow of things going like that, then we'll keep the conversation going. But I think a lot of that, you know, over talking or not talking enough comes from being able to gauge your passenger and where they're coming from. So for more information on that, you can watch our other videos as well. All right. Number 5. Here you go. Number 5. Most commonly made mistake by new drivers: not keeping their vehicle clean on the outside or on the inside. And here's the deal. Think of it like this. You go to a Hilton hotel, right? You get your key card, you go up to your room, you walk into the room, and it's a beautiful room, but you find Jolly Rancher wrappers all over the floor. Well, that just turned an awesome experience into not a 5-star experience. So even though you might still have a great experience, and it's not a huge deal, it's still like, there's Jolly Rancher wrappers all over my floor. Why? That's strange. Is there a leprechaun in here eating candy somewhere that I'm not aware of? Anyway, you can't have a 5-star experience, or you can't offer a 5-star experience to your passenger if you don't have a clean vehicle. Just saying. So, take care of that, new drivers. All right, you guys. Hey, if there's anything that I missed, veteran drivers out there, drop down in the comments below and let us know what I forgot. All right. Hey, best of luck to all of our new drivers out there. We're a team, and we want the best for all of you. Again, I'm Jacob Letman. Follow me on Instagram at jacob.letman. Follow the Rideshare Hub on Instagram at Rideshare Hub. And other than that, you guys, we will catch you next time. Take care.